This AI is insane and scary. Normally you'd say this and not repeat that for another 2 years, but it hasn't even been 2 months since DALL-E 2 came out and already another AI has outdone it. This is Imagen. AI is taking on many fields that are traditionally run by humans, but for the most part, it has been process-driven applications like helping doctors or engineers with solving a problem like looking up a scan or making a measurement, but creating something that's never been built before and would be aesthetically pleasing to a human being has never been done before. And this is the new frontier that AI has now conquered. See, art has always been out of its reach, but now even that is falling for it. The resulting images that you can see did not exist in this data set used to train this AI. All these images have been generated by AI, only taking a few words as input. Human beings have evolved over thousands of years to gather information from what we see. Every image that we see provokes an emotion inside of us. And this is why we remember people by their faces, not just by their names. And this is exactly why Google's Imagen is so scary and insane, because it provokes an emotion inside of you just like a real work by a human being would. See, it's the photorealism that really gets you. The beauty of Imagen is that it can create images that have never existed before out of a simple text input, and these images are photorealistic. It was created by training a neural network using deep learning. It not only understands individual objects, but it also learns from the relationship between them. If you were to ask Imagen to create an image of sushi, it would create that, but it would also know how it relates to other objects, and it would draw it in a photorealistic way. Let's see this image as an example. A cute corgi lives in a sushi house. And when you look at this image, you must ask yourself, how did the AI decide what lighting to use for this scene? How did it know to depict sushi in this manner and then be able to build a house with it? What would that look like? How did it make that creative decision to depict that in a certain way? How did it know that a cute corgi would look like that in this scene? If you think about it, these are the kinds of decisions that a real artist would make, and that is the most incredible and fascinating part about this new text-to-image generator.